Hey learners, welcome to Ahmad Coaching and I'm your teacher Dr. Anna. Today we are going to study about adaptations in plants to low and high temperature. So in conclusion, the plants they are adapted to low temperature by performing structural, physiological, biochemical and behavioral adaptations in which they modify their leaves from needle-like leaves to thick leaves, as well as they have hairs to trap the air which act as the insulator. They have deep root systems so they can reach to the warm water and can adapt to cold temperature. They undergo dormancy period and slow down their metabolic activities. They increase the antifreeze proteins in their cell sap, as well as they increase the fluid accumulation in the cell sap so that they can reduce the freezing temperature of their cell fluids. Along with this, they alter the membrane structure. The lipid content of the cell membrane is changed from saturated to unsaturated so that they can maintain their fluidity. They also increase their cryoprotectant, as well as they gradually increase different compounds in their cell through cold accumulation process. And in case of behavioral adaptations, they shed their leaves and they cover themselves with the snow which act as an insulator. So all these are the methods or the adaptations in plants to cope with the low temperature. So in summary, the plants they have different adaptations to cope with the high temperature. They have modified their leaves into small and narrow leaves, as well as thick waxy cuticles so that they prevent the water loss. They have vertically oriented leaves, as well as they have reflective surfaces so that they can reflect back maximum amount of light hitting on their surfaces. They regulate their stomata and open them at night, as well as they open them and close them very quickly and very rapidly to minimize the water loss. They have tap roots to go to the deep underground water, as well as they have extensive shallow root systems so that they can absorb maximum amount of water during rainfall. They have heat shock proteins to prevent them from heat damage, as well as they have accumulated some other compatible solutes to prevent them from heat stress. They shed their leaves during hot weather to reduce the surface area, as well as they roll and fold their leaves to perform the same function. They have sunken stomata so that they can prevent the water loss through stomata, and as well as they have thick barks to provide a protective covering against heat and to reduce the water loss. So that was our lesson on adaptations in plants to low and high temperature. If you have any question related to this topic, you can ask me in the comment section, and you can also suggest some topics you wanted to learn in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.